Good morning. The indices have been on a firm footing as the health of the Indian economy seems to be getting better by the day. The auto and cement numbers have given a reason to cheer. For those who rejoice in numbers of any kind, the total market capitalization of all the listed firms on the BSE has surged to 60,742 billion rupees, adding 2,410 billion rupees in 3 trading sessions since the budget. The finance minister has made it clear that the fuel price rise is here to stay and keeping inflation under control would remain a challenge. A flat start is in the offering and a reversal of recent fortunes could take place well during the day depending on how the global events are placed out. US stocks climbed on Wednesday as new budget stabilizing plans out of Greece reassured investors who were also cheered by a smaller than expected drop in private sector jobs and a report of faster expansion in the services sector. The Fed's periodic beige book reading on the economy showed that the economic activity picked up somewhat in 9 of the Fed's 12 districts and the consumer spending also improved modestly. The European Union stated that it would more closely regulate the economies of its 27 members so as to avoid a repeat of the Greece crisis, and a report stated. In an attempt to cut its deficit, Greece announced a $6.5 billion plan, including $3.3 billion in new revenues and $3.3 billion in spending cuts, which includes pension freezes and cuts in civil servants' salaries. The Asian markets are indecisive as of now. Expectations, though, are that the Nifty may breach the 5,100 mark before any worthwhile correction. Nifty is expected to face resistance at 5,135 to 5,150 and get support at 5,020. Aditya Birla Group Retail plans to invest 18 billion rupees over the next 8 years to scale up its hypermarkets more across the country. NTPC and L&T are keen to partner IOC for the LNG project. US citizens filed a case against Ranbaxy for claiming that the company has marketed products with false patent claims. The recommendations for the day are IDPI a buy at current market price of Rs 125 for a target of Rs 132 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 122, and Rolta buy at current market price of Rs 180 for a target of Rs 182 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 174. On the F&O side, long NTPC March future at Rs 206 for a target price of Rs 220 and a stop loss is to be placed at 202 for a lot size of 1,625. And long Everest Canto Cylinder Limited March future at Rs 120 for a target price of Rs 130 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 155 for a lot size of 2,000. That's it. Thank you and have a great day ahead.